Nice cutting board. Too bad about that planer snipe. Let's fix it with a dual drum sander. Put your board on the conveyor and lower it until there's a slight gap above it. This part's a bit tricky. You're going to raise the table about 1/8 of a turn at a time until your cutting board causes that first roller to roll. This will take you a minute or two to get. Sorry about the video being out of sync, but you get the idea. Stick it in, raise it, check it, stick it in, raise it, check it, until you see that roller just start to roll and feel some pressure on it. There, that's perfect. Now for the easy part. Push the green button to turn it on, put your cutting board on the conveyor going along the grain, and give it a gentle nudge. After each pass, you're looking for planer snipe and other defects. If there's still imperfections, raise the bed 1/8 of a turn and try it again. Once again, check for imperfections and run it through again as many times as needed until it's nice and smooth. This should take about 2 passes for each side. Isn't it pretty?